Hi guys, it's Zack Attack, and this is the Fnaf 3 challenge. So here we go. Put Springtrap on, Phantom Mangle on, Phantom Freddy, and Phantom BB, and Phone Guy. You never forget about Phone Guy. Alright guys, here we go. So you can see Springtrap in the vents. I don't know if he's blocked by the snare. If he is, I'm going to set it. I mean, no matter what, I'm going to set it. But like, okay, this challenge is going to be easy. Go ahead. Jump scare, Phantom Freddy. Oh, BB. Feels kind of like he's coming off right now.
Yar, how may I be of service to you?
That did not scare me, honestly. Is he coming this way? Alright, he's going that way. I'm gonna go and just set the snare. Where is he? He might not be. Yeah, he is. Worry about him when he gets there, when he starts looking at me. I don't know if, yeah, I'm still pondering if he gets hit by the snare.
Yar, me bird likes you, so I'll do ye a favor.
Yeah, my noise level is off the charts right now. I'm just gonna see if he breaks right through the snare. This is one of those I got to see. I think he does. Yeah, he does. He breaks right through the snare. He busts right on. Alright guys, here's old Springy. He's coming in. He's in. He's looking at me. Look at him up there. Right in his face. The fan can go off and I can probably just sit here the rest of the night. Springtrap is not real, only killer in this night, so yeah. I beat that night really easy, so we're gonna make this harder. 20 for all the Phantoms, and 10 for Springtrap. You know what? Make that 15. Let's play. Oh wow, they attack fast. Power generator. Yeah, they come in really fast.
Yar, how may I be of service to you?
This is rather easy. Man, they really help out their buddy, right? Springtrap. They attack like right as he's getting ready to come at me.
Yar, what can I do for you?
Her being on 20, it makes her go insane. Yeah, Springtrap's coming near, slowly.
Yar, how may I be of service to you?
Look at his face up there. Right in his face. This is rather easy. I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna get the heater on. Yeah, not the heater, the AC. I'm gonna pass out. Just gonna sit right here for the last 15 seconds and just wait it out. Just cut all the power. Take his little jump scare. Jump scare. We actually got 800 points that time. Alright, we all know the drill. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Good. Bye! Oh, shout out to Claire and Caitlin.